po sa inyong lahat. Kahapon po galing ako sa Jarir. Naghahanap ako ng GoPro Hero 4 Black. So pumunta akong Jarir. It's not available there in Jarir yesterday, so walang stocks. So from Jarir pumunta ako, it's not available there. Only they have the GoPro Hero 4 Silver Edition. So from there pumunta na naman ako ng Center Point. And Center Point pumunta ko ay IMAX. So hindi rin available. From Center Point pumunta ko Villaggio. And in Villaggio I went in Gosport. So there I got one black Hero 4 Black, GoPro Hero 4 Black. So they have also the silver one, but I prefer the Hero 4 Black Edition because this is more clear. Only the difference is that the GoPro Hero 4 Silver is that there is a screen. But the Black Edition having no screen. But of course you can connect also the mobile. Now we will unbox this one and we will see what are included inside. It is one of my dreams to have this GoPro because it's a good camera for adventure. So it's including the camera case, carrying case for all the accessories. So we will open this one and we will see how does it look inside. We will smell it. Wow, so there is like compartment here, you can put those accessories, and there is an additional pouch inside. Where you can attach in the belt. So 1, 2, 3, 4 compartments. You can put those accessories, and one big here compartment, and one small compartment here. So it's a portable carrying case, and there is a handle. So it's nice. And we will see this one. So there is 1 year warranty for this. So, kaya ako binili to because it's a waterproof adventure camera. It's a waterproof. So, pag uwi ako ng Pilipinas, because I live in Palawan. So, mahilig ako sa mga island hopping, sa beach. So, pag nag-snorkel, I can use this to see the view under the water. Makikita mo yung mga corals, mga isda, mga clams inside under the water. So, cut this one. Maganda yung pagka-packaging niya. So this one is like amounting or like, so this one is, the price was 1,999 reals, Qatar reals. 1,999 Qatar. 1,999 is about almost 25,000. 24,987. So, ayun. Let's stick here. I stick siya maigi. Then, this one, the camera. Very portable. Kailangan ko tanggalin ito later on. So we will see what is inside, including the manual, owner's manual, the battery. The battery is like this big only. It's 3.8 volts rechargeable. Including it's like cover. It's a cover. I don't know where to use this one. Maybe it's a cover on the screen. I will check later on. And the ECU. like you will stick the camera here, the base. There is two here, like square and like oval, and there is some white accessories here. I don't know where to use this one, so I need to check the manual. And the USB cable for charging. So that's it. And I also purchased like the pole, extend up to 36 inches, so it's extendable up to 3 feet. It's a waterproof underwater pole. So we will open. This look like this only. So you can extend, okay. Or selfie like this. It's nice. So this is the maximum length. Wait. Okay, there's a more long. Okay. A little bit long, so 3 feet. Yeah, nice. So you will attach the camera here. Then you have to turn. To close. Okay. So that's it. At least nabili ko na yung GoPro Hero 4 Black na pinapangarap ko. So maganda to kasi pwede mong gamitin sa pagka nag-biking, nagmumotor, pag bumibiyahe, at saka pagka nag-swimming po kami, or pagka nag-island hopping o nag-diving under the water, para makuha ko ng video yung mga nasa ilalim ng dagat pag nag-snorkel kami. So it's very nice. Abangan nyo yung mga susunod kong video na iikot ako dito sa Qatar. Titingnan ko yung mga magagandang views. So para makita nyo, gagamitin ko tong GoPro. So thank you for watching. See you next time.